We welcome you all to this experiment. In this experiment, we are going to explore how you can interface a 7-segment display with Arduino microcontroller using InnoKit MPK A100. For those of you who are not familiar with this trainer kit, it is an electronic trainer kit designed to guide the learners from the fundamentals to mastering embedded systems. The trainer kit has multiple sections. Today, during our experiment, we are going to use the 7-segment section and the Arduino microcontroller section, and we are going to connect these two sections using jumper wires. But what is a 7-segment display and its functions? 7-segment display is an electronic display device made up of 7 LED segments arranged in a pattern to show numbers and some letters. This numerical display is used in a device such as clocks, calculators, and meters to show digits electronically. Now, let us go through the steps to implement this experiment. First of all, identify the pin designated for 7-segment display on the board of the trainer kit. The pins of the 7-segment display are clearly available on the board. After identifying the pins for the display, identify the pins of the Arduino microcontroller, which are also accessible on the board and properly labeled for easy identification. Then, use the jumper wires to connect 7-segment display pins on the board to the corresponding pins of the Arduino microcontroller. Use the wiring diagram shown here to ensure proper connection. The next step is, after completing all connections, connect a USB cable from the trainer kit to your computer. This will ensure that the board is powered and allow you to upload the program or Arduino code to the Arduino microcontroller. Before uploading the code, check for any errors using the verify feature available in the Arduino IDE. When the code compiled successfully, click Upload to send the program to the Arduino board through the USB cable. After the board is powered and the code is uploaded to the Arduino microcontroller, it's time to observe the results. Now, check the 7-segment display to see if numbers and some letters are being displayed by the 7-segment display according to the program uploaded into Arduino microcontroller.